It's Christmas 22 edition with Chef Bari. Add 1 pound of butter, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and roasted almonds and pecans. See recipe below. Pour caramel nut mixture into the 9x12 pan lined with tin foil as shown. Sprinkle chocolate chips, put in a 200-degree oven for 5 minutes. Bring out of oven and spread the chocolate chips as you can see here. Place in freezer for 1 hour. Now comes the fun part of breaking up the treats any way you like.
It's a Christmas treat. Would you like to see it? Look at this. Just in time for Christmas. All right. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that, eh?
Oh my god. I would really like some right now. Just eat it all in one bite. What is this?
Look at that.
What is this?
Woo, look at that.
Hey,
Isn't
Grandpa.
that good? Want to try a
is
piece?
this?
Come over and try a piece. Is it,
That's good.
is it good?
Yeah.
You like?
I hope you enjoy my Christmas nut bar. Merry Christmas 2022. Be sure to like and subscribe and see the full recipe below.